Today we have a Vermeer Wood Chipper BC1000XL. A good machine. And first, as usual, before starting an engine and confirming the issue, let's see if we have oil. Make sure you're safe. Yeah, oil is on dipstick. It's good. Let's see if we're engaged or not. As you can see, we're disengaged. Down this way. Engage full power. And yeah, we're disengaged. That's good. If this video is helpful, informational, subscribe to the channel. Sure, appreciate that. Yeah. Okay, let's crank it. Oh, well, this is something new. When you turn the key to the on position, you should see the light lit, but no light. Yeah, nothing, no juice. Interesting. What are the main cause of electrical circuit failures? First is vibration and heat. This machine has both. Lots of vibration and some heat generated as well. Yeah, lots of vibration. There's a huge drum. We're chipping the brush. What I like to do? Well, start with the things I can easily get to. And let's start with the ignition switch over here. And we can get to the back, and even before connecting our test light, what we do first? Visual inspection. Loose connections, broken wire, rusties, crusties, and so on. Let's see what we'll find. Okay, there we go. Here's our ignition switch, view from the back. And here, there's a few terminals, and there's a eye link here. This wire is missing. Where it's going? It's tight, but no wire. This blue one is connected to the bottom, this white to the center, and this one is going to the control switches for the reverse and forward. This one's kind of loose too. Yeah, a little bit, but where's this guy going? Oh, look at that. Just popped right off. Alright, let's see if this one's hot. Find a good ground, connect my trusty test light. And this wire is hot. Oh, yeah. Alright, we have to fix this connection, and at least the machine will fire it up. Yep, no power, no start. We have to understand why this happened in the first place, and the answer is pretty simple. Look at the whole length of this wire coming out of the wiring harness. It was connected here. This was a very tight fit, and the vibration just made this connection loose and broke the wire strings, and it just came right out. It means after we'll do the repair, we have to secure this wiring harness, make sure this wire won't get pulled out again, and remember, this wire is still hot. Don't touch the ground, otherwise it will cause a short. Don't want that happen. Yeah, okay, I'm going to fix this wire first. Alright, I have this wire fixed, crimped a new end, and also secure the wiring harness, just using a plastic zip tie strap connected to the bracket. Now harness is all secure, it's not hanging. I also notice this relay is bouncing around. I just will we'll screw it here, and yeah, keep everything nice and tight, something like that, right? Why not? Just make sure nothing's loose, nothing's just hanging, and yeah, easy as that. It looks way better. All right. Okay, let's turn the key to the on position and we should see the battery light on. No battery light. Well, that's not good. And let's see what's happening here. My test light's still hooked up to the power. And here's our battery light. One wire in, one wire out. And yeah, we have the power coming to the light bulb and nothing's coming out. Means our bulb is open, it's burned. And also there's one wire hanging here. And it's hot. That's not good. Not sure yet where this one's going. Seems like it's not in use. Let's just tape it, make sure this guy won't touch any ground and cause electrical short. Yeah, okay. We need a bulb, but that's a secondary issue. It's not our problem for now. I have this wire taped. That's good. Yeah, let's connect it over and it should start now, I believe. Make sure we're not in full throttle. We're in throttle and clutch is disengaged. Beautiful. Yeah, let's start the machine and see what's up. Oh yeah, it's warming up. She's cold. It's minus outside. Let her warm up. To go. Yeah, as usual, always start with the basics and remember heat and vibration. Lots of vibration. And where's the electrical located? Over here. It was easy to get. That broken wire saved the day. Before putting this machine back to work, I'm going to clean the air filter, that basket, blow everything, blow the red, make sure it's clean. A little bit of sawdust build up on top of the engine. Yeah, make sure machine is reliable, safe and good to operate, and also I'll give you a shot of grease. Well, thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. If it's helpful, informational, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, critics, suggestions, recommendations, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. See you soon. Bye bye.